This video explains how to import data from an Excel to Tally using the GSTR to be form. Tally is one of India's most popular accounting programs. Businesses of various sizes and types use it to handle their financial operations, produce invoices, and keep track of their books of accounts. Tally's ability to import data from other sources such as Excel files is one of its most important features. The GSTR to be form is used by registered taxpayers in India to make a return under the Goods and Services Tax (GST) system. The form includes information on all inward supplies received within a specific tax period. Businesses must have the data of all their inward supply in a certain manner to file the GSTR to be form. Here is where being able to import data from Excel to Tally comes in handy. Make an Excel spreadsheet with all of the information needed for the GSTR to be form. The spreadsheet format should be the same as that stated by the GST site. The Excel spreadsheet should be saved as a CSV, separated values, file. Open Tally and choose the firm whose data you wish to import. Navigate to Tally Gateway Import Data Vouchers. Choose the Excel to Tally option. Choose GSTR to be from the list of possible forms on the following screen. Choose the CSV file that you prepared in step 2 by clicking the Browse option. Map the fields in the CSV file to their Tally equivalents. You may accomplish this by dragging and dropping the fields from the CSV file into the appropriate Tally fields. After mapping all of the fields, click Import to import the data into Tally by using Fast Inflow software. Examine the data to check that it was accurately imported. You may accomplish this by navigating to the relevant Tally reports. You have now imported data from an Excel file into Tally for bulk GSTR to be import. To summarize, the ability to import data from external sources such as Excel is a critical feature of Tally that may save firms a significant amount of time and work. Businesses may simply import data from an Excel spreadsheet into Tally for GSTR to be bulk import by following the procedures indicated above. This can assist businesses in streamlining their accounting and compliance operations and ensuring that their GST returns are filed appropriately and on time. Get 14 days free trial of last mile delivery software at www.fastinflow.com.